What's the meaning of aviary? Aviary. Aviary.
Aviary. Aviary. An aviary is a large cage or enclosed area for keeping birds, often used for scientific research or public exhibits. It is designed to mimic their natural habitat and provide ample space to fly and perch. The aviary can be indoors or outdoors, with a variety of plants and structures to create an environment that is both attractive and functional. The purpose of an aviary is to provide a safe and healthy living space for birds while allowing people to observe them in their natural habitat.